I can most definitely say that this look is by far my best look, which I have loved. And I am going to recreate this look today for all of you guys who are watching my channel. So welcome back. My name is Yadvinder and today we are going to recreate this look. And this is inspired by the double wing eyeliner, but I have given it my version and my style. So to start up, I am going to hold my eye back with my hands and I'm going to use this brown pencil eyeliner and going to take out that very sharp and very thin stroke and forming a wing eyeliner, which I have already shown you in many of my videos that how to do that. And after taking that stroke outwards, now I'm going to fill in the rest of the line to have it properly on my eyes. And after forming this, I'm going to create the second line, which is going to be below the first line. And this second line is going to be the extension of the lower lash line, and using my fingers, I am going to make it even more sharp and bringing that brown eyeliner all the way to my lower lash line so that it will look like that it's going out from my lower lash line. And now I'm going to fill in the rest of part. Up next, I'm going to use a precise pencil brush and I'm going to take the same eyeliner on it and start forming the third line, which is going to be above my crease area. This look is giving the look of Egyptian eyes. This is giving that vibe because it's always inspired from that, because the double wing eyeliner is inspired from that. So I'm going to form it, and next step is to use a big blending brush to blend the line that we have created above our crease area. And for that I'm going to use a big blending brush. As you can see, this is giving the perfect transition. This is looking so amazing. And I'm going to take out the color of this transition all the way to my outer corner, so this will give me the lifted look. All I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and forth in the motion to have that perfect blend of the color on the lid space. It's really important to blend your eyeliner properly, and along with that, if it's not getting blend, it's getting patches, then you may use the eyeshadow of same color so that you will have that seamless transition. Next step is to use concealer to have that crisp line so that the lines and the look is going to be sharp and crisp. I'm going to use a flat shader brush with some concealer by Swiss Beauty on it and going to take it all the way to my outer corner, starting from my inner part of the eye. And I'm going to make a very precise line of the concealer. I'm going to only use it to make the line because I'm not going to use it on my lid space, as my lid space is already having no color. And on the lid space, I'm going to use a shimmer golden shadow. I loved creating this look. You can see how beautifully this is transforming. And please shower your love on my videos, share these, promote my channel, and I promise I'll give you more tips about makeup and make your life easy. Next, don't forget to match the color of your upper lash line with your lower lash line. So I'm going to use the same brush and diffuse the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line. And after transitioning the color on my lower lash line, I'm finishing up with some mascara and lashes off camera. And next I'm going to use a pencil brush to highlight my brow bone as well as my inner corner. Highlighting your brow bone and your inner corner makes it more eye-catching, so don't miss that part in your makeup. And this is the completed eye look. This was so fun for me to recreate this look for you. If you have enjoyed it and learned something, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest notification. I post videos many times a week, and if you like my content, then do comment down, and if you have queries, then comment as well. I will promise that I'll make you very clear about makeup. Until then, stay tuned and keep enjoying my videos. Thank you very much on coming my channel.